Hello and welcome to an unboxing video of the Philips Series 3000 beard trimmer. So as you can see, this is the Philips Series 3000 beard trimmer. The model number is written over here. It's the BT3211 by 15 and it's made in Indonesia, designed in Netherlands. We have some more product information. The code is given at the back. So let's go ahead and unbox this. It says your new Series 3000 beard trimmer offers durable performance and consistent trimming results. Okay, get additional information, and as you open up the box, it's kind of nice. It has a blue design. Once you open it up, on the outside it looks just a standard cardboard box, but once you open it up, it's all blue. And let's see, there is a card that tells you to unlock 1 extra year of warranty. You have some documents, your user guide. Just keep those to the side. This is the charging cable, the power cable. This, I'm assuming, is a little carry bag that comes. It's like a Ziploc bag. It can be shut. Keep that also to the side. And in here is what looks like is the actual beard trimmer. So a bit complicated. It sort of unwraps itself out, and there you go. That is the beard trimmer. Let's take it out. There you go. That's the beard trimmer. It gets charged at the back like that. So this actually goes in there when you need to charge it at the back. And these are the different settings. It has 10 from 1 to 10 settings. This adjusts the length of this beard. And how does it switch on? There you go. So it's blinking, so it probably doesn't have any charge right now. So there you go. That is the unboxing of the Philips Series 3000 beard trimmer. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.